guest in front of all of you guys, and yeah, it'll be great. It'll be great. I'm really looking forward to it.
So Adhika, it's a personal time to me कि मैंने ये बात सबके सामने रख दी और आपकी हेल्प कर दी.
Thank you. मैं आपको लेके जाऊँगी और आपको बिल्कुल खाना खिलाऊँगी अपने साथ.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And I'm from Bazooka. My name is Ayush. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
You also had some budgets,
Correct.
maybe food, fashion, and stuff like this. So, what's your budget for entertainment on?
Especially when I was starting out, I didn't have a lot of budget, and जो प्रॉब्लम मैं फेस करती थी वो यही होती थी कि एक की सब्सक्रिप्शन ली तो दूसरे वाली प्लेटफॉर्म का शो पॉपुलर हो गया और सब उसी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. अब मुझे उसकी लेनी पड़ेगी. फिर किसी और का प्लेटफॉर्म का शो पॉपुलर हो गया. सो आई यूज्ड टू स्ट्रगल अ लॉट कि जितना भी मैंने बजटिंग करी हुई है वो सब इट यूज्ड टू गो फॉर अ टॉस बिकॉज ऑडियंस is loving shows on different platforms, and as actors and as artists you need to be updated and you need to watch those. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि सिर्फ जो आप नेटफ्लिक्स या प्राइम की बात कर रहे हैं सिर्फ उधर ही होंगे. बहुत सारे शोज बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे होते हैं. सो उधर ऑनेस्टली मैं बजट यूज्ड टू गो फॉर अ टॉस. So I think what we are doing right now, what he has done is so beautiful because इन्होंने एक्चुअल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करी है. उन्होंने देखा कि क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स फेस हो रही हैं सबको, सबके बजट्स अगर हेवाए जा रहे हैं, कन्वीनियंस किसको चाहिए, उसके लिए उन्होंने एक वन स्टॉप सोल्यूशन निकाला है. सो आई विश कि आई हैड दिस एट दैट पॉइंट. my budgets would have been in control at that point. But yeah, I hope I answered your question.
Hi Radhika, and for someone who has worked on a slew of platforms, what does it take to be smart plus to be able to be desirable on every platform possible?
Oh my God. So because as actors we don't know which platform are we going to be on. It's after we make the film it's decided which platform we sell it to. But I think a smart thing to do would be just being true to myself, true to my craft, and be as honest in front of the camera as I can. Follow my heart, not to follow any kind of plan that the industry expects out of me, and just have fun. Being honest and just having fun with my craft is smart for me.
Somehow content on show becomes as interesting as the OTT.
I think this question is for the TV producers. Me as an actor, I'm not in that space to take those calls. But as an audience, of course, I would love to see different content, different stories, and yeah. So I hope you get to ask those people this question, and please let me know the answer as well.
Yeah, hi Radha. I wanted to ask you from Dish TV, like what is your favorite content which you would like to watch and you would like to learn from it? What famous content, any across national or international, which you like to really watch?
Honestly, like I haven't seen a lot of regional stuff, and because I just saw in the presentation that we have an opportunity to watch regional content and get to know about our country more, about our regional content more. So I think I would want to start with that, just to be more aware of what's being made within our country in different regions. So that's very interesting for me.
See again, the answer lies in one of the statements Radhika just made. It doesn't depend on us. We are the platform, right? And we are carrying both, right? So it actually solves the problem for me. So whether you make it live on TV or you make it on OTT, my customer is going to have it. So that actually solves a big problem which you have just put forward, and that actually settles that debate as well. As far as where it will go first or with what lag it will, go into the second one, that depends on the producer and how they want to derive the commercial value out of it. That is totally their problem. But for me, you do whatever, you produce whatever. If you have a deal with me, my customer is going to have access to it. My job is very simple, to make my customer's life simple, as simple as that.
Radhika, like you've done TV and cinema, like you're doing movies now. You've done TV as well. So I think your input on this is much needed.
To be very honest, as an actor, for me, art is art. I'm fortunate enough that it did come out on television and OTT channels or in the theaters. But I tapped into different audiences for that. I got the opportunity to cater to different audiences. But while I was doing the show or when I was shooting the film, I didn't think of the platform. For me, I just wanted to live different lives as an actor. And that is something that is in my control. That is something that I love to do. And as he said, like, we have different audiences for everything. My nanny still watches, she's used to a particular, habit of viewing entertainment. She's used to television, she's used to DDA channels. So for her, whenever my film releases, she's like, I don't know how to access that. So I have to set it up for her. Either ये वाला platform on करो, either log in करो. But because she loves watching Anupama and all those shows, she can just switch it, and if she wants to view my film on Disney Plus Hotstar, she can just switch it and play my film. So it's just, I love how it's catering to different age groups, different audiences, and it's just making our lives easier. Birthday party, Vandana themed birthday party in Delhi. So I think we're going to play that movie in the background and celebrate the birthday. It's one of my favorite films. So you're going to be seeing pictures of me in a Crime Master Go-Go costume very soon.
So what was your first reaction after getting to know about Dish TV Smart OTT?
Oh, thank you so much, Mr. Paul. Definitely the first word that came to my mind was convenience. I could see my money being saved. and I just realized that it's a one-stop destination for all kinds of entertainment. Whatever I want to watch, whatever I want to educate myself with, and I can watch it with the whole family. So it just makes it a very, a collective experience. We are not sitting in our separate rooms, logging into our individual devices and watching what we like. Like, we can have dinner and watch what my mom loves to watch or what my dad loves to watch, and it just makes it a collective experience and less of a hassle for sure.